found the key. We found the transition. We all agree that it works. Good. Kasi meron pong mga lineup na binibigay ang worship leader sometimes na not necessarily good transitions. Para may bumaba po yung dynamic, yung key po ng iba. So that's a perfect example po dito sa Montreal. Okay, number one, we communicate with Tita Mai. Tita Mai, what's your goal? What's your vision? What's your song? What's your goal? What's your vision? What's your song? Pag na-establish na po yun, number two, tune the instruments and do a sound check. So, yung mga string instruments po natin, yan po yung mga kailangan ng mga tono. So, wala pa pong tumutugtog, wala pa po. Ang guitar lang po and bass, nagtotono na sila. Tapos, pagkatapos po nun, ng pagtotono, allow someone from the back, from the man team, to do a sound check. Para hindi na po tayo nagkakalituhan pag nagpa-practice na po. So, have your mics ready, your volumes ready, your monitors are all good. Okay. Pagkatapos po nun, again, next would be find the key of the worship leader. So, Tita Mai will demonstrate to us that she's gonna sing. Hindi po namin alam yung key niya, pero we're gonna try to get it.
Dami kong key.
Sige po.
The splendor.
Okay, nakuha ka agad. Galing. Palakpakan po namin si Tita Rara. Ano pong key yan? Ito. So, D. D po. Okay. Now that we have established, now, I asked Tita Mai, is that too high or too low for you?
Too low.
Too low. So, ready with the ass. So, D, what comes after D? E. Okay, E. Let's go to key of E.
The splendor of the King. In majesty,
and then let's try chorus po. Now we're trying chorus kasi yung chorus po could be higher. So, how great
is our God?
We found her key, we found the song, her perfect key, key of E. Okay na po, right? So we list that down. Kasi po, tomorrow, kunyari Sunday na po, hindi baka makalimutan namin kung ano yung key.